Elevate your jewelry collection with the Ross Simons diamond earring jackets in 14KT gold. These elegant earring jackets are designed to add a touch of sophistication to your favorite stud earrings, creating a stunning transformation. Crafted from 14KT gold, they feature a dazzling halo of diamonds with an IJ color grade and I2 clarity, delivering impressive sparkle and shine. The diamonds, although not flawless, maintain a brilliant and eye-catching appearance that's perfect for everyday wear or special occasions. Lightweight and versatile, these jackets fit seamlessly with most stud earrings, offering flexibility to enhance your look. Whether you're attending a formal event or looking to upgrade your daily jewelry, these earring jackets provide timeless elegance. Priced competitively, they offer great value for the quality of materials and craftsmanship. Ideal for gifting or personal indulgence, the Ross Simons diamond earring jackets make a stylish and practical addition to any jewelry collection.